Fiji, a tropical paradise, beckons travelers with its island-hopping adventure. From the backpacker-friendly Yasawa Islands to the luxurious Mamanuca Islands and the untouched outer islands, Fiji's diverse offerings ensure a memorable experience for every visitor. Engage in local traditions, indulge in natural wonders, and immerse yourself in vibrant culture as we guide you through Fiji's must-visit islands. The Yasawa Islands are a backpacker's haven, offering budget-friendly options and a chance to immerse in Fijian village life. Plan your route efficiently, considering transportation options like ferries and small planes. Embrace the slower pace and stunning views as you navigate this breathtaking archipelago. Budget-friendly accommodations and eateries abound, with hostels and guest houses providing a social or private atmosphere. Engage with local communities through village visits, where you can experience traditional ceremonies and learn about the Fijian way of life. For those seeking a remote paradise, Fiji's outer islands are a treasure trove of hidden gems. Planning your trip requires flexibility, as flights and ferries are the main modes of inter-island travel. Explore lesser-known islands like Ovalau, Beka, and Vanua Levu, each offering unique experiences from historical sites to firewalking ceremonies. Whether you're diving into the deep or relaxing in the hidden paradise of Savu-Savu, these islands promise an authentic Fijian adventure. Boutique stays. Choosing the right accommodation can define your Fiji experience. All-inclusive resorts provide convenience and a range of amenities, while boutique stays offer a more intimate and personalized touch. Consider what's important to you, be it luxury, cost, location, or a unique experience, and select a stay that aligns with your preferences. Whether you opt for the all-encompassing ease of a resort or the charm of a boutique stay, Fiji has the perfect match for your island escape. The Mamanuca Islands are synonymous with luxury, offering top resorts and idyllic beaches. These islands cater to all, from family-friendly accommodations to adults-only retreats. Adventure activities are plentiful, with water sports like snorkeling and surfing, as well as jungle safaris. The Coral Coast also provides a mix of excitement and relaxation, with its own array of water sports and natural explorations. Whether you're seeking tranquility or thrill, the Mamanuca Islands and Coral Coast offer a blend of experiences that cater to every traveler's dream. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.